Is this your new tiny home?
Welcome to my home.
So a hobbit is a halfling, a little person, not a dwarf, a little person, so a halfling. That can be quite confusing.
Aren't
They
you
are very
married
joyful,
to a
happy
hobbit?
people, very cheerful. So the reason that we are here is because the movie set for The Hobbit and The Lord of the Rings is located on the Alexander Farm.
We got to experience more Middle-earth at the Hobbiton Movie Set. This set was used as the Shire in the Lord of the Rings and Hobbit trilogies. In 1998, location scouts were on an aerial search for the iconic rolling hills and lush green pastures of Hobbiton when they came across the Alexander sheep farm in New Zealand. The area was so strikingly similar to the Shire as described by Tolkien, and they quickly realized that the Hobbits had found a home. Since the area was untouched, no power lines or buildings, not even a road, the crew could leave the century behind and fully submerge themselves in the fantasy world of Middle-earth.
I'm getting you getting us.
I think that this wood would make some excellent firewood.
That would make excellent firewood. Do you have a lighter?
It took 9 months of construction to build the 39 temporary Hobbit holes for the first film, and in December of '99, they filmed the entire Shire scene in 3 months, followed by the demolition of the site, leaving only a few plywood facades.
Is this your new tiny home?
Welcome to my home.
Aw, that's awesome.
The popularity of the films brought tourists, and as such, guided tours of Hobbiton commenced in 2002.
But these are here for a very cool and simple reason. They are here to look like plum trees.
Crews returned to film the Hobbit trilogy in 2009. This time they left behind the beautiful movie set that we see today, 44 permanently reconstructed Hobbit holes and gardens. A guided tour led us through this 12-acre set. Each facade was so unique and told the tale of its imaginary inhabitant and their trade. The detail was so great that we could have spent hours exploring each Hobbit hole.
I want a journey!
You can see why they picked this site. Oh my god, it is just very cinematic in itself.
Bilbo Baggins' hole at the top of the hill was a crown jewel, and it was enormous in size compared to the others, reflecting the importance of his character. Where Bag End now sits atop that hill, we look down to a field overlooking the party tree. This gathering spot is where Bilbo's 111th birthday party was held.
So you're taking a stroll to the bar,
To the pub.
to the pub.
Right.
Mary's on the way to the pub. Hobbiton, Green Dragon.
The Green Dragon Inn was opened as the finale to the tour. Here we finished the experience with a refreshing Hobbit beverage of non-alcoholic ginger beer.
What you doing here?
Drinking beer.
What you got there? Is that ginger? Ginger beer?
Ginger beer.
Ginger beer and what?
Coffee.
Some coffee. Sitting by the fire. Nice.
Tastes like ginger ale and Club Cool.
As fans of the books and movies, we enjoyed this tour, as well as our visit to other filming sites in New Zealand, like Mount Doom and the Weta Caves. Although the day was windy and cold, it was a great day to visit, especially since our guide told us that the crowd was about 1/10 the normal size, allowing our imaginations to run uninhibited. Well, thanks for watching.
Safe travels, everyone.
Remember to find your dream and own it.
If you like our videos, don't forget to click like and subscribe. That way you'll know when our precious videos come back around.